Hello, my name is Michaela with Keystone RV Company Customer Service, supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes reach out to us asking, how do I obtain parts for my recreational vehicle? Did you know that our authorized dealership network is the exclusive distributor of your RV parts? You can actually utilize the dealer locator on this website to find your nearest authorized dealership. Your satisfaction is very important to us. Should you need additional assistance in finding a dealership or experience difficulty obtaining the parts you need, please feel free to contact customer service at 866-425-4369 or email us at ownerrelations@keystonerv.com. Remember, we're always here to help.